Hi, I'm Greg Crossing, the Rail Fanner. Today we are reporting the Metro Milwaukee District North to Chicago Union Station. So we're going to be boarding the Amtrak Wolverine 352 to Ann Arbor, Michigan. So I'll see you there. This siemens bench. It's gonna be oh lord. So here's the siemens venture. Look at all this right there. So here's the siemens venture. This is siemens venture right there. Nice table. Yep, looks nice. We have PowerPoints located between seats. Oh, right there's the plug. Oh, here we have the so let's okay, we're good. And see you there. Well, we made we're at Amtrak Wolverine 352 to Ann Arbor. So this is the Metro BNSF Railway. This is great. Today's part 2 of the train trip to Ann Arbor series. So we're gonna be out of the Chicago, and there's the lights there. So now we're these are the Metro's right there. That's up for PHM. So we're at the we're getting out to Chicago. So I will see you there. Buffalo, Michigan. As you see, this is the this is like front homes. So now you'll be going to Ann Arbor, Michigan. So I'll see you there. Guys, we are at Niles. So now we're gonna go to the next stop is Kalamazoo. As you can see, there's the Amtrak on the box truck. These are the Amtrak maintenance cuisine. So thank you for watching this. I'll see you there. Arriving at Kalamazoo station. So we're almost at Kalamazoo.
Once again, the station's now is Kalamazoo, Michigan. Now arriving Kalamazoo.
So we are about to arrive at Kalamazoo soon. So as you can see, these are the old buildings, and these are the station platform. And we're about to arrive sooner than I see. So thank you. That's the McDonald's right there. That's how I got the food at McDonald's. So we'll see you there, and I'll see you in the next clip. What up, guys? We are departing the Ann Arbor, Michigan. As you can see, these cross relays is still blinking. Yep, there's still blinking. Yep, this is Kalamazoo at actual station as well. So,
we are now departing Kalamazoo.
Yep, we are now departing Kalamazoo. So next up will be the Battle Creek.
Next stop, Battle Creek. While not required, masks are welcome, and anyone needing or choosing to wear one is encouraged to do so. At this time, the conductor will be coming through to inspect and scan your e-tickets. Please have them ready, together with your identification, to expedite the process.
This is good.
This train stops at Battle Creek, Jackson,
Battle Creek,
Ann Arbor, Dearborn,
this is good.
Detroit,
It's across
Royal Oak,
Troy, Pontiac,
Yeah, so that's it for this clip.
Stretch your legs, have a smoke if you'd like. It is not a long break, ladies and gentlemen, so please stay train side. Do not enter the station as the train will leave without you.
Okay, so we're will stay in the train. So we're gonna be continuing on this trip to Ann Arbor. So that's it for this clip. Hey guys, we're doing to part of the Battle Creek, Michigan. So now we're gonna head. What's it? So now we got a crew change. So now we are going to be going to Jackson, Michigan. Yep, we are going to Jackson, Michigan. So these are the lights. There's a gas station. This is gonna be a great time of this trip. So that's it for this clip. Jackson, Michigan. So now we are going to be staying in this train to Ann Arbor. So that's for this clip.
Stop. Ann Arbor.
Alright.
While not required, masks are welcome, and anyone
Alright, we're
needing
gonna be
or
stopping
choosing
at
to
Ann
wear
Arbor,
one
Michigan.
is encouraged to do so.
So we are going to be stopping the video at Ann Arbor. So
At
that's it
this
for this
time,
clip.
the conductor to check
Ann
around
Arbor,
your seat
Michigan.
and gather your
So now
personal
we're going to
possessions
get off.
before exiting the
Let's go
train.
hook this table back up. Alright guys, we are getting off the Ann Arbor, Michigan. So now we're going to go. Now we can go to the.
Have a good night, folks.
Thank you.
See ya.
So this is the Amtrak Midwest Venture Coaches.
Good.
And now we're going to be. Yep, right there is Lori's car. So we're at Ann Arbor. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you in part 3. Alright guys, we are at the part 3 for train trip to Ann Arbor, Michigan. So, let's get in this car and we're ready to head to Brighton. So, we are about to go to the end of this trip to Business Hall's house. So, we're at Heine Road. So, we're about to go to Cortland and Stolen. So, we had the.
But they still like go to the local rink and you can go there and do pickup games, you know?
Yep.
Yeah.
Or skating.
See right here? We have Ford Escape.
Super skating.
This is cool. That was a great train ride, guys. So, if you like train ride, let me know in the comments below. Don't make negative comments. Yep.
Don't make negatives.
I like that.
Yep. Don't make negatives.
That's right.
So we have.
Stay positive.
We gotta stay positive. Yep. Sorry, my phone's getting bumpy. This is bumpy because it has a road. This time.
Under construction.
Yep. I think. So we got the.
This is a dangerous area.
This is dangerous, guys.
So this is where deer comes on.
Yep.
There's a lot of deer around
We're about to go to Cortland. We're about to go to Cortland Road.
Orlay. You are almost to Mrs. Call's house. I can't believe there's no snow here, James.
Yep. This is great.
here. I think there will be when you leave.
It's gonna be a snowstorm just getting to the train station.
Yep.
The Amtrak's are moving.
This is-
No cancellations.
Yep. There's no
We
cancellations
saw
right
they
now.
canceled all the trains going west
Yep. They're
When?
going west.
today, towards the Rockies and
Yep.
stuff.
This is.
Those got canceled.
Yeah. This cancel is not good for
That's
me.
the storms coming from there.
Not good, guys.
That stuff.
So here is.
This is called.
So here's the house
And then Christmas lights, James.
with the Christmas lights right there. So now we're gonna go to the. So we're gonna stop the camera and we're here.
Check out the wreath on the front door, which I made.
All right. Now let's head to get out the car
Ride, Lori. There we go.
and let's see who it is.
Right here.
Let's see who it is.
You gonna get your drink, James? Your drink.
Yep.
Get your drink.
I'll get the drink.
Get the luggage.
I'll get the drink. Thanks. So now we're gonna go to the house. We're about to go to the house. Here it is. Here's Mr. Call. Hello, what up? Hello. So, thank you. Alright, this is the basement. So we are at Brighton, Michigan. So there we have these cars. This is, I don't know what the picture is. Let's see the train. This is a Hummer. See that? I like that. So we are at Brighton. So this is going to be. We have now marbles. We have the light. So, yep, I had a good day, but my trip is ended. But for now, it's time to end. See you later. Night night.